how could we generate lead? What is qualified lead? How do you make sure if it is a prospect, it means qualified lead, which is the middle of the funnel, and also how do you turn it to customer and how it could help you? Exactly, it's the point. But the other things, I think they are completely same, because we are going through the digital marketing, SEO of website, and also digital marketing, and then introducing what is the usage, what is the product, how does the product help you, and how this product make your life easier, help your product to be easier. I could not advertise like the old-fashioned. Do you want to get rid of this problem? This is me, please come to me. Okay, nobody cares, nobody comes, because it's a very old-fashioned sales. It is very important, the content creation. And if you want to talk about the content creation, and content. The content which we create in the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, totally different and the others. I cannot use, it's text, it's audio, it's video, it's image, same. I cannot use the content which I create for LinkedIn exactly same for Instagram. I could, but it doesn't work. Because the people who are in that social media are totally different. Some people do it, prepare it and publish in the others, for example, post in the others. Okay, they could do it, but actually do not work. And also website and SEO. I'm sure if you want to have your business or if you want to work for a business, they have website. Is it in the first page of the Google? You know that if you want to hide a dead body, maybe the best place is the second page of the Google. You have heard it. Because nobody goes to the second page of Google. Third page of Google, okay, for sure hide it there. Nobody never go there. If you want, you should be in the first page of Google and also maybe one of the first 5.
It should be organic, not the sponsored ones, because
Exactly, organic, yes, because I'm talking about SEO. Yes, organic, when it's written sponsored, it means that they have paid money.
paid, yeah.
Yes, it's the first thing that all of them say, I want to be in the first page, then I'm buying Google Ads. Okay, just one question. Imagine you want to buy, for example, one cell phone. Who goes to buy it from the first sponsored one? Imagine you want to, for example, you have created one cup, very great and nice cup, and it is very good when you are drinking your coffee or morning coffee in it, you will enjoy it. Who is going to buy it by Google as a sponsor? No one. Google Ads is really good when you want to make your branding stronger and stronger. It is good. Imagine you are Canva. Everyone knows Canva. Everyone uses Canva. And now you are competing with 3 more competitors, main competitors. It is good to be above them. Okay, now SEO of Google is good for you if you are Canva. But if you are doing your branding or you want to start your brand, just as you say, organic one. Put all your budget, or you're struggling, trying everything only on the organic one for making your website and SEO as the organic. And the people who are finding it, how could I make it organic? Maybe, I'm sure you know, content. If you could create contents as a blog, as a video, as an audio, as a text, as an image, everything, and put, for example, in your website, write it in your blog page of your website, and work on its SEO. It's very simple. You could find it very, very easy. Internet, there are many YouTubes about how to make strong, for example, the SEO of my website. And then every word, every character, every sentences and phrases in my content could be found by the prospects, by the customers in the internet. It means that content is king or queen. I don't know exactly it's king or queen, but however, it will help SEO on my website. What, as you said, is free and also helpful. Every day people are visiting your website. It's coming from here. And also some of the other things that the people who are expertising the SEO or website could help you to do it. And again, social media, free, 100% free and easy. Yes. Finding and building trust and rapport, and then going to the cold call. Cold emailing exactly same. You could find, for example, some data. I cannot say they do not work. For sure they work. They could be beside your job. But however, I recommend you to go through the social selling and also direct message, direct mail. As I told you, for example, you are maybe connected in the LinkedIn, in the other social media, Instagram or everything with somebody, and after a while when you know each other, when you are asking and you are, for example, imagine you like their post, you ask some questions about their post, you engage with their post, you comment their post, after a while they will do same, and then you could leave a direct message. Maybe have a coffee chat for 10 minutes to talk more, to know each other more, and when you want to start a conversation, never ever say something about your offer, your product, your service. People hate it. To receive one message that I have this pen and I want to sell it. Do you need this pen? No, I have many pens here. It's very good to ask some questions. How are you doing? How's your business? How was your day? And after that, may I ask you, how often do you write? Maybe every day. Do you write it by computer, type it, or maybe do you write it by pen? Actually, 50% by computer, and also I use pen also. Have you ever tried, for example, that kind of pen? No, I really love that pen. I recommend you. And also, maybe have one coffee chat. Actually, we have one pen, and I would like to have your feedback about our products. It would be really great when you are using different kinds of pens. I would like to have your feedback and also your opinion about your products. May I have it? Then in the coffee chat, you could talk more about your product. You are not going to ask anything yet. You are going to listen and listen and listen. To make a need for them. At the end of listening, you are going to ask open questions and open-end and also good questions. When you understood everything, then you could make a very small, short, and effective presentation about your product. Okay? We have already received it, and always I'm interested because always I could make a better something contract.